Most people think hitting an 800 plus credit score takes years, but in 2025, that old belief is officially outdated. Thanks to the newest credit reporting rule changes rolling out across the United States, thousands of Americans are jumping 40, 60, even 100 points in a matter of months. And today, you're going to learn exactly how they're doing it. If you've been stuck in the low 600s, battling old collections, or frustrated with credit bureaus that move slower than the DMV, stay with me, because once you understand these new rules, you'll realize the game has completely changed and the advantage is finally shifting to the consumer. Here's the big shift. For the first time in years, the major credit bureaus are required to remove or update certain negative items faster and with far more transparency than before. In 2025, disputes can no longer sit in a backlog for 90 days. Under the new regulations, bureaus must verify or delete disputed items within a tighter timeline. And if they can't confirm the accuracy of a debt quickly, it gets deleted. That means inaccurate, late payments, duplicate collections, or old medical bills now have a higher chance of being wiped from your report, even if the creditor drags their feet. This alone has been pushing many FICO scores higher because removing just one collection or late payment can boost a score by 20 to 60 points almost instantly. Another major change is how medical debt is handled. Before, even a small unpaid medical bill could destroy your score. But now medical debts under a certain threshold can no longer appear on your credit report at all. Hospitals and insurance companies used to report debts aggressively, but in 2025, that pipeline has essentially been shut off. If you've had medical debt haunting you for years, these rule changes may erase them completely, giving you one of the fastest score boosts possible. And because FICO models heavily penalize medical collections, removing them resets your credit health in a way that used to be nearly impossible without lengthy negotiations. The next advantage comes from how new positive credit data is reported. In the past, rent, utilities, and streaming services didn't help your credit history at all. But 2025 rules encourage lenders and service providers to report on-time payments more frequently. That means that things you already pay every single month, your apartment rent, your phone bill, even certain subscription services, can now help push your score upward. With more positive data feeding into your credit file each month, your credit utilization and payment history categories improve faster, and these make up the largest part of your FICO score. Add in the fact that many banks are increasing their introductory credit limits because of stronger consumer verification rules, and people who responsibly use a new credit card are seeing sharp improvements in their utilization ratio, one of the quickest paths to an 800 score. The final shift is perhaps the most consumer-friendly: how old negative accounts age off your report. Until now, derogatory marks like charge-offs or unpaid accounts stayed for a strict 7 years, no matter what. But under the new framework, some items may fall off earlier if the original creditor sells the debt multiple times or fails to maintain accurate reporting. Every time a debt is transferred, the new owner must re-verify the exact timeline and amount with far more precision. If they can't, the credit bureaus are required to remove it automatically. This is why many Americans are suddenly seeing old, stubborn accounts disappear without them doing anything at all. And once these old anchors drop off, the path to an 800 score becomes wide open. So here's the takeaway. Hitting an 800 plus credit score in 2025 is no longer about playing a slow game. It's about understanding new rules that finally favor the consumer. With faster dispute deletions, medical debt removals, more positive data reporting, and earlier expiration of old negative accounts, your credit score can climb faster than ever before. If you stay consistent, keep your utilization low, make on-time payments, and check your reports regularly, you could see results in months, not year two. The system has changed, And now is the perfect moment to take advantage of it. Your future loans, interest rates, and financial opportunities all begin with this number. And 2025 might be the easiest year yet to hit that elite 800 club.